How to create a Binance account for beginners. If this is your first time trying to create an account of Binance, let me show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to create an account successfully. Now, the first thing that you need to do is either head over to the website of Binance or download the application from the Play Store or the App Store. Once the application has been downloaded, and once you open up the app, you'll be straight away taken to a similar interface where you need to first of all start off by typing in your email address or your phone number. Either you can use one of these options, or you can also tap on the continue with Google option so that you can just select your Google account to create your account of Binance. So follow the option or select the option whichever is better for you. Now, before you do this, you'll also need to gather your information such as your government issued ID, which may be your passport, your national ID card, or even your driver's license, because you will need to complete the identity verification, which is the KYC within Binance. So make sure you gather this information first of all these documents before you proceed for these steps. So as I said before, you'll need your documents, your passport, or maybe even your residence permit. For depending upon your country as well, it is gonna differ. Once your account is verified, only then you'll be able to deposit and withdraw money from Binance. So once you follow these steps and add in your documents, and once your account has been verified, your account of Binance will be successfully created. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.